Yeah, early in the morning, you know. Yeah. As a crack of dawning. Yeah. Want to big up the people them. Yeah. You help yourself, yeah, me and my daddy. Yeah, me a forward a yard. Yeah, straight from broad. And so the journey continues. Yeah. Big up on yourself. And all the people them can't make it to yard. Me I tell us to stop being a fraud. Yeah, you can touch yard anywhere in the world. Yeah, you know it's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, big up every local boys and girl. Yeah, more life and more joy. Yeah, from you see me at the train stop. You know I'm not an idiot. Yeah, from me I touch the train, you know me I touch the plane. Yeah, some real big money. General my father, you know? More life and more joy. You know? Yeah. Yeah, greetings, yeah, and salutations. Yeah, to all nation. Yeah, from you see me on the train, I have to touch the plane. Yeah, big up all my friends and families, you know. Yeah, more life. Yeah, I'm more joy. You see? Yeah, I had me I go people. Want to big up all my friends and families, showing love and burning all the evil. From you see me on the train, you know me I got touch the plane, you know. Yeah, that's how me I deal with it right now, you know. I'm traveling at a bus. We don't have a good seat where you can see outside. So you keep it live right now. Right now, me I make it see out the road like a bit just. Because I know the seat. But from you see me on the train, you know me touch the plane. And I'm on the first place to go out to my one. Yeah, touch it.
Sheridan Station, southbound 25 minutes.
Yeah. So I want to big up on myself and no one else, you know what I'm saying? It's Rastafari so we are dealing with it. Dip on the train right now. Let me touch on the airport.
This is Sheridan Station, southbound 25 minutes.
I'm going to touch y'all a little bit more. My hair up in the ear. Big up my hairstylist, Molly. Yeah. Pretty like a dolly. Yeah, big up on yourself, see? Yeah, we're up on the train like that. So yeah.
All aboard. Last call, sanctuary closing doors.
Yard we say. One of the pre-yard in our Christmas. Pre-yard in our summer. Pre-yard when you're happy. Pre-yard when you're sad. Yeah. Pre-yard how you good. But pre-yard when you're bad. Big up yourself. Yeah. Traveling again with the Rasta, you know. Bustling again. Yeah. Bless up on yourself. Remember to subscribe, like, and share to the channel. You know it's Rastafari so to your favorite Jamaica. Yeah, I'm on my way to the land of wood and water. Bad man and good dog. Yeah, you know the good girls like the road boys. But the road boys on the way to Jamaica, you know. Check out what's going on. Yeah. Bless up on yourself with no one else. I'm on the train bringing it along. I was a little bit behind the wall over this, so my lighting was not the greatest. I just want the people them to hear this. Never you leave out where you're from.
All aboard, last call, sanctuary closing doors.
From our land, rolling and make a difference, change the place. Yes, Rastafari, iconic man. So I'm on a roll to Jamaica right now. Make the people them more say, I have not forgotten them, especially in these times.
Next up, Highland Market Station.
Yeah, that thing. Some of the people have some big up on themselves. Yeah, not sure if you have not subscribed to the Rastafari channel. Hit that red subscribe button. Subscribe. Right now I'm on my way to Miami Airport. I'm in Miami right now. Area called Open Locker. Yeah. Let's see if I find a real shot. Might not deal with no hunting. Long thing. Talk. You see, it's city here right now, the city life, you know. Find a life that sometimes tough, crappy. As a certain part of the city looks good. Certain part of the city look like that. Certain part of the city full of fermentation, I know, say. And the other boys too, okay? Stick with Rasta. It's a favorite Rasta man. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, right, Queen and Road. Right now I'm in the city of Miami. Place called Hope Lock. Going on to the airport. on yourself, see? Yeah, I just touched the Miami airport right now. I'm about to go to the baggage area. Actually, check-in, I should say, with the flight attendants. I'm going to jump on a little train again. So bless up on yourself, see? Yeah, my favorite part of the trip from my friends. Every time I fly here, I have to get this in the background. Yeah. Miami to the Miami. Yeah. Miami to the Miami. Yeah, I got to leave. Everything set up there. Miami to the Miami. You have to get it right. Miami to the Miami. Yeah, more like that. Everything set up there. Job it like that, we boss it like that. Yeah, I got to leave. Yeah. Miami to the Miami. Everything set up. Yeah, look man right now. Miami to the Miami. Big up on yourself, and I'm not leaving out, you know. You know it's deep road, it's Rastafari, so yeah man, I'm going to say one of them planes because American may fly upon. But you know, that's the real airline, you're going to take. Yeah, Jamaica, I'm saying. Right now, Florida, me there. You're going to take. Right now, Jamaica, I'm saying. Alright, now, Florida. Big up all that people. One more people, you're going to take. Yeah, more like one more try. Miami to the Miami, you know? Yeah. Miami to the Miami. See, airport, I'm going to airport, Miami to the Miami. So me want to big up on the people them. Yeah, big up on the people them. Big up on the people them. Big up on the people them. Yeah, I want to big up on the people them. Yeah, I fuck up on the people them. Yeah, big up on the people them. Rastafari, yeah, more like I'm more try. Yeah, Miami with the right now. It's down the window now. Traveling straight to Jamaica. Montego be outside. Yeah, more like I'm more try. Yeah. Happiness. Bless up on yourself. Travel that way. Vlogging, tagging. Yeah. Bossing. Yeah. Big up on me people, them. Say me big up on me people, them. I'm pulling our train station right now. I'm going to the airport. Yeah. Miami to the Miami. Yeah, one thing I'm always that decorate Miami airport good enough. That's one thing I always like with Miami airport. They ever have the airport decorated. Proper. Yeah, I guarantee. So at Christmas season, you know, I just say, yeah. I want to big up all the people them. You know, you're traveling with the Rasta man. Yeah. I Miami to the Miami there right now. Yeah, more life and more joy. Yeah, more happiness. But I walk through the place, you know. So I want to big up the people them. Yeah. That part make you see what really are going on. Yeah. You're looking at the sky. I have like all some baller drop down and thing like that, you know what I say? Yeah, big up all the people them. Yeah. Yeah, Miami airport, you know. More life and more joy. Yeah. Now we'll go to the airport and take it easy and thing. And as you see, I'm in the airport. And what you hear about? On my way to yard. Hey, big up all the people them when they are abroad. Thinking about yard. If you're not thinking about yard, you're a fraud. Right now I'm in the Miami airport. Yeah, and I'm flying out, trying to touch the hills and the valleys. Yeah, you know we survive over the old gangster alleys. Big up on my friend them, New York. Yeah, big up on my friend them, Miami. Big up on my friend them, Texas, Houston, them place there. Big up my family and friends, yeah, all over the place, England, all them place there, all my subscribers, yeah, big up yourself, yeah. Thank you for subscribing to the Rastaman channel, big up yourself, yeah, I'm bringing you along with me, straight to Jamaica, you are guaranteed more life, more joy, more happiness. Remember, if you have not subscribed to the Rastaman channel, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, build up the Rastaman panel. Right now I'm in the airport, I'm about to check in, make sure everything is lined up. Yeah, it's Rastafari Soldier, and I'm closer to Jamaica. No, I'm still in Miami, you are gonna tease it. Yeah, for easy. Yeah, I'm just letting you see how outside the airport look right now. I pay American Airline plane, they're out there right now. You are gonna tease. So I just want to see what I go on and what I go on. I saw the airport set up right now. Yeah, wet up right now. Yeah, I'm wanting to get up right now. So I'm all live. I just see me kind of change up my headgear a little bit. And I go on blame in. So, we're out touch this spot. I just see American Airline about just so lock. Yeah, I pay airplane out just so. American Airline style, you know? Yeah. So, I want my families and friends them to know say, yo, I and I man always thinking about them. Yeah. Especially when I and I man traveling. Meanwhile, I travel like bustle. So I video, I vlog. And I give the item a tag. So I'm more life and more joy and I'm more happiness. I want to big up all the people them over up on the YouTube. Will link me up. Then bless up on yourself, family and friends. And over on the TikTok from you did not flip-flop the approach TV. More life and more joy, more happiness. I'm going through the airport right now. Yeah, Miami airport right now. Yeah. And you know, see a tour, we a tour with a risk. Yeah, so them call I and I man a tourist. You are guaranteed. So, a love over hate, and a peace over war, and a life over death, and a ras respect. Yeah, love up, big up. Yeah, so everything set up. Yeah. Glorious. Yeah. Glorious. Yeah. The girl them want lower us. So everything set up. So D22 we are going to, you know. That man have a good walk down there. I'm to celebrate because the thing elevate. Yeah. So you know say the Rasta man with the Rasta plan. So I forward through the TSA and then try to deal with my life say. Them don't know so I have to make it. I have to make it because the Rasta set it. You see? All I use them whenever really make it on the flight. I tell them say big up on yourself and good night. All I get them want to go link me down to Jamaica for spite. Yeah, guarantee. There's more joy and more life. Big up on yourself. No one else. And nobody don't care about you, yeah, my lad. When you're dead, you're dead. So I go and vlog it out. Me hear from me shout. The approach TV. Yeah, real youth TV, me there in that place. Miami, me there right now. I keep it live. I just see it, we don't take no bribe. Yeah. So big up all the people them over the east, over the northeast and the Middle East. I know say right now it's tough. Yeah, condolences to the people them will lose few people and things. Because you know, see a war going over there. But big up every little girls and boys. We are living a peaceful life. Yeah. I wonder where them supposed to have one duty free over here to still it. Yeah, guarantee. Yeah. Certain set now. We're at the airport and when I leave you out still. I make the girl them look for their jewelry right here so cause it looks like some jewelry over here, sir. Marloca, pearls. Look on them nice jewelry. Yeah. So nice jewelry there on the wall. It's all kind of imagery now. I don't know how them people are Joseph or Mary or whatever, but I want to show you some jewelry style here, so you know. I think I look awesome. Them look decent. Some decent. Yeah. I mean, I just take all a little look on it yourself. You are going to man at the airport, what you hear about? Big up all the people, them, you don't stress out yourself. You know, fly out sometimes, you are going to, yeah. And take two pictures, yeah. Yeah, down in Miami there, so you know, say, I Heat City, Miami Heat City. Yeah, a Miami Heat place. Yeah. Right now, look on them jewelry. Duty free probably there somewhere around here for trainer cars. As you see, the place look gorgeous, you know. Healthy. I ain't at them time here of the year, you know. What D30 there? Bread. D30 there right here, sir. Lipstick and anything there in here, sir, you know.
And you can work?
Yeah. See it there? J door. I'm gonna make you see all them pictures here, you know.
Your attention please in the terminal, your attention please. We are boarding all passengers, all rows for Nassau flight 2245.
Yeah, big up on yourself, family.
12, Diaz and David 12.
Yeah, man, big up on yourself, me there at the airport, you know. I have Rasta man, I have favorite Rasta man, you know. It's Rastafari soldier, you know. You know I'm red, green and gold, yeah. You know I'm bowler, yeah. Yeah, big up on yourself and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more life, yeah. See it there? I think savage out. Yeah. At the right place, me the right here, so. D30. I'm gonna make sure at the right one, me there. Yeah, I'm fine now, all the time. I lift up now, man. Yeah, I'm going to see you lift up. See you lift up there, you know. I lift up out that sky, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Lift up, lift up, lift up. Yeah. Lift up, yeah. I lift up in the sky, man. Nice sky, man. Up in the sky right now. Not up in the sky right now. There's something like high right now. Bless up on yourself, Left me a lift out the fire right now. Land of barren. Gonna make you see how it look, you know. See there. Miami, they're on top of Miami right now. Yeah. Man up in the air right now. See stadium there, so. Yeah. I'm in this here right now. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Beautiful city of Miami. As you're looking at it. I'm flying out east. Yeah. Burning the base. Going to my beautiful country of Jamaica. Island is so gorgeous. Can't wait to be there. I don't know if Florida nobody know. Florida's looking good. Yeah, give thanks to my dad. Yeah, more life and more joy. Yeah, you bring me to my Florida. But that's great. Yeah, I'm lovely for that, you know. Yeah. All of the youths them say, yo, Rastafari is here to tell you the truth. Stick with the channel. As I man, be in Jamaica for the next month or so. Yeah, and I'm going to be touching the streets while I'm doing some work. You know what I'm saying? I'm more life, I'm more joy, I'm more happiness. Yeah, family is happiness. Yeah. Right now, right now. Right now, right now. One up in the sky right now. I right now, right now. Right now, right now. that's why I say, so you set up, you know. You bless up, bless up. Hold on.
And one round trip ticket to South America and Europe. In fact, there are enough miles to go to Asia and the South Pacific one way. These miles can be used on American Airlines and even on one of our One World Alliance partners, taking you just about anywhere you wish to go in the world. Now, the cool thing about this card is the miles never expire as long as that card is active, and there are no blackout dates. You can use these miles yourself and even give them away to your friends and family. But you won't have to, because on your plane today we can give you 2 per household. Folks, that's 120,000 miles. Anyone who receives this card will also get many exclusive benefits. You'll get your first checked bag free for you and up to 4 companions flying with you anytime you travel with us on a domestic flight. That saves up to $300 each time you travel. You'll also get to enjoy preferred boarding status, so no more waiting out in those long lines. We're going to give you 25% off all of your in-flight purchases, $25 back on in-flight Wi-Fi purchases, and if you're a world traveler, there are no foreign transaction fees. That's huge. On top of all of that, your first year's annual fee will be waived. Now, if you already have a card with miles, don't worry, you may still qualify for this card. Your miles will be added together into one account. It's super easy to redeem your bonus miles with this great offer. All you need to do is make a purchase as little as a pack of gum within the first 90 days after account opening. Then you can start planning your next vacation.
Still on the flight from Netflix. Tell us I love flying American. Yeah, I love to fly American because American is always on time. Yeah, them show up on time. I'm professional. I help all the people in. Whenever I make it on the flight, make it on the same thing. Yeah, I'm more like that. Yeah, I'm more like that. Stay with us. But they have on the flight still. On the flight, Jamaica is clear skies, you know, clear skies. That one, clear skies. Jamaica, clear skies. Clear. Yeah, I believe that sky. As we are seeing the engine right there, so I can believe clear sky. But that's Rastafari, so the blood in the tree. Yeah. See, clear sky. If you never fly, they think blow are nice. Yeah, clear skies. Skies are clear and beautiful. That's the far of this water. All was well. Unfortunately, Scotty dropped out. I never get a chance to go to the funeral. But you know why I shut out? I went out and I helped with the grave digging and thing. Helped with the money. Big up Bertie. Yeah. Big up all. My cousin Dolphin. We come through. Up the patch. Yeah. Rye, Bowie. Yeah. Pepsi. Everybody. Danny. You know, some love all over the Marshall. Yeah. Yeah. You know, see, I'm a family. More life family. Now leave out, look at you, Gio. I record. More like I love it. I'm looking down to them. I'm here. It's a Kanye. Mother, sister, niece, and them. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. I make a final turn around now. I circle the island, you know. come through. See? You can basically see the ocean right this way. You know, but who we are, but boat are, but just waves are, you know, white thing the way I see nice clouds. I don't know if clouds out, I don't know. Let's see there. Jamaica, me a forward to on top of the clouds from there. On top of the clouds we're living. Down in creation, it's the only destination I can find. So when I'm on fly out, and I know the route, by the time you quit, me they are yard in the shout. Yeah, cause it's on top of the world I'm living. Down in creation, only destination, Rastafari. Yeah, big up all the youths them anyway. I get a chance to fly yet. But me I tell you, you know, a knowledge and understanding if you try to get to me. What I worry about all in I can get all the on the plane. Right now, I fly, we are flying. Look how the clouds they want to matriculate. You know, certain things in the problem. Give them the opportunity. They can bring you along. Stop. I just say meditation. Take advantage. And don't make them take disadvantage. So I'm flying in right now. And I hope some cousin in there right now. So if you're not there, that's fine. Big up my life fire. Yeah. One by the wire. All that team. Big up the life. Yeah. Yeah. Sarah. Yeah. White girl from the ghetto. Big up yourself. Alright, you know, Indian. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah. Big up the general. Man. Jaganti. Big up Yavin. My brother. Everything. Anytime. You know, any weather. And I'm going to big up yourself. Richie, big up yourself. Yeah. See there? That's everything look, man. We are circle around the island. See there? See it over this way. We are circle the island. Yeah. Keep proper, man. Love America New Line, man. Because by the time I wink, I'm in Jamaica. Especially when I fly out of Florida. Out of Miami. Yeah, man, I come to the approach. Yeah, man, I come to the approach. Yeah. I man travel over many hills and valleys. And I man survive over the monster alleys. And I know from this I man need you and Dolly. But me I make sure I'm far with a yard. Jamaica. Yeah, I feel like paradise, yeah. Wish I could capture some island. Unfortunately, I'm on the left side of the plane, so not so much. I'm on the edge of the island. We're touching down. Families and friends. It's pretty. If it's pretty. Yeah, touching. Let's say, I'll bring you with it. Gonna be able to see beauties in the eyes of the beholder. I told you. So I just felt like it, and it's just like and now you see me. Cause I'm looking my job. Later on, you don't know where the Rasta goes. Cause I said they don't know. They don't want to know. When I saw Rasta come, the place I go. They don't island of gods and data. Yeah. See there. it slow. I'm taking it easy. Ooh, wah, wah, wah. Taking it slow. Give me a bird's eye view, but just see what me I see. You know what me I do? Big up all my family and friends on the deep side of the world. Yeah, 46, 47, 19th Street, 26, 21st. Yeah, you know the best, it's not the worst. 172nd, all the ballers, them and the shop callers, them. Yeah, yeah, circle up around, I know. Turn around, right, you know. What can I do? And here going down. Parts can put up on the side there, but it's a gear what we can give this thing. Do what I can do. Big up American Airlines. I love fly American Airlines. My mom was on time. Now ramp with the money. You know, it's to be poor is a crime. Yeah. It's me all as a car and drive on the road. Yeah. The crap light not so overload. On the edge, on the coast with it, you know. Yeah. Coast. On the edge with it. On the edge. We all good up now. That's pretty and blue and turquoise. Sure. Now we're not nice like Jamaica. No, we're not nice like Creole. No, we're not nice like Jamaica. Nowhere, nowhere. No, we're not nice like Jamaica. No, we're not nice like Creole. I can see the round. Oh, we're not nice like God. Come on. No, we're not nice like Jamaica. Water, get closer. Watch that now, so I'm going to touchdown with that. Look over this and take it. Left on the wrong side, on the left side. Coming out, not just water. But I'm going to take you in the water. So. They up on the beach coast. That's what we got about me now toes. They up on the hinges.
They don't know. God, they don't want me know. Everybody know how the breeze it blow. Everybody know how the tree it grow. How when me flow, how when me flow. Let me flow just like this street with the flow. Let me flow, just like how the wind it a blow. How let me go, just like the tree inside.
Yeah.
So me want me know like no one.
So low me them man.
Me don't like me know how we want me I like me
The
know.
cars in the ocean, right? Lying in on the beach in Jamaica, you know? Yeah. See water there. Now you're touching. See there. Unfortunately, I can't see nothing more than this, man. I'm afraid I play.
Welcome to Montego Bay. The local time is 2:22 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until that seatbelt sign has been turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket in front of you for any personal items like tablets, cell phones, wallets, keys, headphones. When you open the overhead compartment, please be careful as items may have shifted during flight. You may now use your cell phone.
Yeah, man.
If you requested a wheelchair as you deplane, go ahead and have a seat in one of our first class cabin seats, and we'll let you know when that wheelchair has arrived for you.
And I love
We will be
Fly
coming into
American.
gate 16 today.
I love Fly American, goddamn.
And ladies and gentlemen, we do have the honor of having some current as well as some former members of our military on board with us today, including our captain. So I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you so much for your service to our great country, and please stay safe.
You're welcome.
On behalf of American Airlines, our One World Alliance
Hoorah.
partners, and this Charlotte-based flight crew, thank you so much for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon. Have a great stay here in Montego Bay, or wherever your final destination may be, and have a wonderful holiday season.
Jamaica, Jamaica. Why you seeing it with me? And I just touched down, you know, I'm telling you straight up, you know. Love, sun is bright. Yeah. Over there, some more pass over by that big building that's now pass up there, so I have to drive by this to go Lilliput. Oh, actually, fire supposed to come link me. The big old hotel, the fire. Yes, up yourself, yeah, my brother, me have a phone in my bag, me no left it. Me never left it, cat. Me never left it. How could I do that? Me bring it. The only thing I bring in, I want surveillance system to my uncle. Right? And then bring him one little, what them call? One of them sockets where click. Break, not a break up ours still, you know. A torque wrench, yeah, torque wrench, them say. So I bring in one still, you know. Bless upon yourself. Do not stress yourself. Yeah. It's too late, you're connected. Don't stress yourself. Jamaica with it, I don't know say that you want to see. Yeah. I will drive past them places to go around on the general place. Jamaica with them, man. Then I make now say, we'll make you see nothing else. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Down in Jamaica with me born and grow. Pull me up, pull in pan hands, you know?
When we get to the hotel.
Yeah. See that? This is how you can ease the pain. Yeah. Perilous time. The stress that's on your brain. Take the bus, the train, the boat, or even the plane. Reach hard. Stop, sit down up abroad. Flexing like say you were fraud. You know the life hard, but you make foreigner come my yard and you now come my yard. What's going on? Yeah. That on the Montego Bay airport right now. So, but if you know on yourself, yeah. Know on yourself, I had me there right now. Pick up everybody. Yeah, we got mommy and my daddy, yeah. And see that here Canada on the side, but the American me I deal with. And but here Canada flying, them beat me in, it's all good. Yeah. Jamaica this. Here Canada flying. Remember that. Yeah, so welcome to the Rastaman channel. Welcome to the Rastaman Island, Yagan Tea. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Build up the Rastaman pan. Yeah, more life, more channel, more now. Yeah, see that. They are yard right now. Say we they are yard right now. Yes, me they are yard right. It's not a spy drive. Right now, right. Big up on yourself. Yeah, me touch the place again, my family. And at the same state again. Yeah, big up all the friends and the families them that could not make it. Guess what? I only leave my plane then at the airport when you can take it. Yeah. Roll me around through the ends again. Yeah. Tell a friend guys. We touch the plane like taxi. Yeah. How we are going straight to? Yeah, sir. Here. Yo, the amount of time come at the place, yeah. Them I say it's like my work, yeah. You understand? Big up all my friends that could not make it to Jamaica. Yeah, because you know it's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, the real elder. Yeah, more life and more joy, yeah, more happiness. As you see, we're there upon the scenery. Yeah. People them are searching me that out. I say, all the people they out on the runway, they have to do them local job. Run in my back so when we reach around there so we can get it and glad. Yeah. More life. Right now my finger the staple joke me to bomb buckler. I couldn't believe that. You know my finger the staple joke. Yeah. As me forward, first thing me do when me wake up. Yeah. Black and tell they use them to shake up. Yeah, people. We don't tell you to do anything wrong, you know. We're just having fun with a little song. You understand? So nobody thinks that we are telling us that we do nothing wrong. See them? That's why in the airport, look. Then the people don't get shook. So in the airport, look. So when you're ready for come a yard, you know. So we are the fraud. Y'all don't just look at us. Then I turn it back around and think on me. You see, in this world, go tell the little boys and girls, a Rasta man is a celebrity. I'm not too yeah, see that. So I vlog all the way through, see? You know, see me on the TV, see me on the video, see me wherever you want to see me in the studio. You're going to go and beat it, show. Yeah. I say me can jar this behind it out easy. Yeah. You see the thing cool and smooth. Jamaica me there right now, you're going to take. So I no problem thing, you know. Yeah. Again, it's a high grade or red stripe and high grade. So I'll go and go through. You see? Subscribe to the Rastaman channel if you know what I want. Yeah. But what I want. Oh, I'm more life. Me a forward show. And every time I video them and them move so, me diss them. And my phone. Then they on Babylon camera every day. And before they wave and go on like them have sense, like them at work, them ever hide in them skirt. Big up on yourself and no one else. You love a crowd. Them boy I want man for Marga down. And straight through the airport me have vlog of people. You can see once in a while two people try to get dark and evil and don't realize they work here. See? Really that? They can't tell me what to do. They work here. You can see. So, about time now I'm kind of know me. Because if I no video, they show yourself 50 times in a video once. Yeah, give thanks. So I'm just show the people them the elements. You can see how Jamaica look. How Jamaica go on. How Jamaica bro. Yeah. I'm raw through different from you. I'm going to Jamaica and they don't have a problem with me still. Because they're my straight masters. Yeah. Or at least they think they are. So big up on yourself, you know. 5 minutes scene, me 5 minutes scene. Yeah. But you know, say I know man have to stop on the general. These are the murals of the heroes. Yeah. Yeah, you know it's Marcus Mogazaya Garvey, you know. Yeah. The man here at top and top ranking. When I born 1887 and died about 1940, you know. Yeah. When I top ranking, I'm not going to put them historical things on it. Top ranking. Yeah, see it here, alright. Now I'll give you a shot off for them now. Marcus. How dare they pass us? Eh? How dare they pass us? See it there. Yeah. Guarantee. Yeah. See that? They're playing the right there, sir. A beautiful, beautiful shot still looking up on the hilltop. Yeah. But you know the thing I march out the thing. Yeah. March out the thing, so. Just big up on yourself, because you know king and king. Yeah. Yeah, fire time, you know. See it there, you know. So we just go and vlog it too, because you know I'm doing it for you. Yeah. Yeah. Right tonight, you know. Yeah. Passport control, I'm control passport down here. See it there. Then I have a place where I go straight ahead. I know I'm going to reach upstairs. Okay. See it there. Yeah. Alright, see that? A white Hennessy, you know. White Hennessy, then say. White Hennessy. White Hennessy. Them no have no black Hennessy. Yeah. Greetings. Yeah, I'll go on. Go through them places. Bless up. Yeah. You know, see them things that we are doing? Just that one going out and round about till she breathe. Simple. Work me, I work for him. Work me, I work for him, brother. Work me, I work for him. See it? No, man. Manly. Me, I touch it like that. You know? Yeah. Work me, I work for him. Yeah. Bless up on yourself, you know. Bless up on yourself. And no one else. That liquor you look like it won't drop, you know. Oh, but you see the coincidence? How is going possibly I'm going the same place? Yeah. I like the situation on them liquor, you know, because I don't want to like, I do it free liquor for far. But you know what? They ain't gonna see us fall. So, I'll just make sure me just take it easy and I move right here. They ain't gonna see us fall. They ain't gonna see us fall. Yeah. Yeah. Rasta lives, you know. I hope it stays me again. Want to see in my Jamaican airport, you know. Yeah. I'm not going to see in my Jamaican airport straight ahead this. You see? I'm going to show you all the donkey with a far picture right there. Yeah. See it here? For advanced opportunity. Link up Rastafari, South. Yeah, red, green and gold. Yeah. So we just keep it moving. I want this. Keep it moving. Just keep it moving right now. See? Well, keep it moving. Yeah. Keep it moving. Yeah. Another place, yeah. Outside out there, so. Or downstairs, me I go now. We go get all my bags, them and things.
Incoming passengers, please be reminded to complete your passenger declaration at Jamaica.com for immigration and
see then, I go through them and tell yourself to do declaration form. Everything gone online. Yeah, I'm going to mess up and get all a girl, one Jamaican girl up, so my information, cause she up there and say, she a deal with the thing. So I just give her everything. Greetings. Round this up.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
You turn it up and yes, sir, so you are nice, sir. I know if it's done here. I will fit on here. Yo, welcome to Jamaica, you know. Alright, now more you can see all my best. Because you know, I'm a superstar because of this, you know, right? A real general, you know. Yeah. Reality, man, reality. I saw everything set up. Yeah. Yeah, we are moving, you know. See the place here, me there Jamaica for real. The place look hot. Yeah, I mash up the craft right now, you know, people. Mash up the craft right now. Yeah. You know?
Yeah, doing this, how we are calling.
SOE?
Yeah.
What you mean, man? I say a 5 parish SOE, man. Police no mess with me, man. Man, if I didn't see me, then say, yo, them money are thugs. Yeah. Yeah, my family come pick me up. Some people now come my yard. Yeah.
Blood clot and up there. Them alright.
I hope they don't want to steal, man.
Blood clot, alright.
At least that they think, you know. But we don't say no, no better yard. Well, me I hope say me I hope say me catch two. Me I hope say me catch two cashew, you know, cashew tree, and me can go down and go water it. Yeah, right, yes sir. No, leave that man, I want to get finally! Yeah, man, them tune, yeah. Far, man. Eh? Ah, man, go down there and go look, man. How are they, man? Eh? Greetings. Yeah, and salutations. Yeah, I'm there up on the west side, you know. Yeah, on the breeze side, you know. St. Elizabeth and Southwest with the right. Just forward another place, man. So remember, you know, keep in touch. Yeah, don't you blush. I'll just say.
What do you say about
the place just look different, you know? You see it?
You mean mixed with the company stuff?
The place look different. The place look different. You know what I'm there? You know what I'm there? St. Elizabeth me there right now. Don't inquire no more. Yeah. I just see over there some Excelsior, you know, Excelsior place. We just arrived on here right now, you know. Everything's set different, you know. Yeah. Everything look different. I just see we're there up on a different vibe, you know. Then we give thanks, you know. Give thanks because right now the thing kind of cool, you know. Yeah. Our family up on the end right. You say you eat the food alright? Yeah, man, you know what I say. Yeah, see the fire ugly, man.